Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the dual water valve in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a 7/16" wrench. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord and shut off the home's water supply line valve. Open the water filter cover and remove the water filter. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 screws securing the upper cover panel. Detach the panel and disconnect the LED light wire harness to fully remove the panel. Use the small flathead screwdriver to pry the waterline retaining bracket free. Pull the dual water valve down to detach. Disconnect the 2 wire connectors and detach the grounding clip. Use the 7/16" wrench to depress the retaining rings to release the 3 water lines. You will need to slide out the locking clip first before you can release the water valve inlet line. To install the new dual water valve, first insert the water lines into the appropriate ports. Slide in the locking clip to secure the inlet line. Connect the 2 wire connectors and attach the grounding clip. Align and snap the new valve into place in the upper housing. Reposition the waterline retaining bracket. Reinstall the upper cover panel by first reconnecting the LED light wire harness. Align the 3 rear upper cover panel tabs with the housing brackets and snap the panel into position. Rethread the 2 screws to secure. Reinsert the water filter into the housing and close the cover. Open the home's water supply line valve. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.